Begin by removing the socket bridge. Loosen and remove the right top bolt of the frame using a Torx T20 screwdriver. Do not discard the bolts, keep them safely for reassembly. Next, flip the display frame upward to create additional space for accessing the energy meter. Disconnect the incoming feeder cables from the RCD using a PZ2 screwdriver. Then disconnect the outgoing feeder cables from the RCD. Release the RCD from the DIN rail by using a flathead screwdriver to unclip it. To reinstall, first connect the outgoing feeder cable to the RCD and tighten the terminal to a torque of 2 Nm using a PZ2 screwdriver. Clip the RCD back onto the DIN rail, ensuring it locks securely into position. Reconnect the incoming feeder cables to the RCD and tighten the terminals again to 2 Nm. Place the detached frame back into a vertical position using the inserts, making sure the display is not damaged. Clip the socket bridge onto the frame by pressing it inward. Finally, secure the socket bridge with the previously removed bolt, tightening it to 2 Nm with a Torx T20 screwdriver.